And welcome to another episode of Brothers Arguing Sports. I'm Zav, and yesterday I saw the movie The Boys in the Boat, and I really enjoyed it. And I'm annoyed at the negative reviews it's getting. This is the best way I would describe the movie to you. If you enjoyed Seabiscuit, Cinderella Man, and Remember the Titans, you would enjoy this. It's that genre of sports movie. It's entertaining, exciting, wholesome, historical, inspiring. There's some romance, some corny humor. It's that type of movie. It's not going to win Best Picture or Best Actor at the Academy Awards, but for what it was very good. Now, besides the story, there are two things that stood out for me. Number one, the setting. It is about college kids in the 1930s during the Depression. So, poverty, top hats, people traveling on trains, people listening on the radio. It's all there, and it's a cool setting for a film. And secondly, the film is about a crew team rowing, and they get into the actual sport in the movie. Things like the coach athlete relationship, strategy, individual performance versus team performance. And I think this aspect of the movie is going to be appreciated by anyone who's played team sports. So hopefully you have a better idea if The Boys in the Boat is a film for you. If you've seen it, tell me what you think in the comments and have a great day, everyone.